Here we are, Wim Hof Workshop, Monterey, California. Miles Lucas and Doug Steiny, two incredible humans. We're here, we're gonna do a full day of Wim Hof, immersion, cold therapy. Let's go check it out. So we just did a group share, got everyone's story. We have people that at this first plunge, can't wait to get them and their experience, to people that have been doing this for 20, 25 years. Real powerful hearing all the testimonies, what people are showing up with, whether it's anxiety, diseases they're dealing with, or just looking to be a healthier person. So next we're gonna go up on the breath deck here, tap into some breath work as a group. I'm real excited to kind of see what we come together, how everyone feels after a few rounds of Wim, and we'll take it from there.
Relax and let go. Don't use any effort to push air out. Just relax and let the breath out. Start slow, and we're going to start increasing the pace.
Just finishing up our Wim breath rounds. Miles and Doug. Feeling a state of calmness. It's always special to be dropping in on breath work with a group of 12 to 15 people. Some their first time doing it, and you can just sense a different level of energy in the crowd. Just a much more calm, peaceful state. And coming up next, we're gonna be hopping in the plunge and breathing through that.
Experience the mental control. Short in through your mouth, long out. It's not about hanging on, it's about letting go. There you go, keep breathing, steadying out, whether you know it or not. I can see it, you're steadying out, you're doing great.
Game on, baby.
Look at you. You just sat in there for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, don't get You fell off the boat, you're in the water now, you need that.
Just finished the group plunge where everyone got in. It's always the coolest thing. I've had hundreds of plunges and they never get old. And when you get to do them with a first timer, and you see the fear and the nervousness before, and they come in after and they do it with a group, and they emerge this new person. It's one of the most incredible things to be with them during this experience. So many different people stepping up, having courage, getting in, and taking on the plunge. Best part of doing this whole thing.